will show you the three types of absolute cell reference, and we will apply these three. Okay, let's start. Let's start here. So this is our discount, 3%. If you will purchase 2 pieces of these items, there is a 3% discount. And also here, if they purchase 3 pieces, they have also 5%, and 5 pieces 7%, and if they buy 1 box, the discount is 10%. So now we'll use our references or absolute reference. First, we'll put our cursor here, then we'll type equal, and we select this one times this one. So this formula, we did not use any absolute reference. Now if we copy this formula here, look, this one, this is refer to this 3% and this price. But if I copy this formula down, look what happened. Enter. Look, instead of 3%, this reference here, instead of 3%, the reference is going or moving down also. If I also copy here, again it will goes down also. But our reference here, prices is constant, so it is correct. But the issue here is the discount. And also I will delete this one. If we will copy this one, copy, and will apply here, what will happen? If I enter, look, again the discount is correct, but the issue here, the price is wrong. Instead of 3, our formula copying from here, so wrong. Now we will apply our reference. First reference is the horizontal. So meaning, if I will type here, then this is our horizontal reference. We should press F4, F4, then another F4, or another F4. Look, this is the dollar sign. It's showing the absolute. So meaning, if we'll put our dollar sign here, meaning this is our absolute reference for horizontal. Then we can also put equal here, equal, then select this one, and you can type dollar sign here, then put our cursor here times this one. Now we have a horizontal absolute reference, which is correct. Look, if I will copy down, it's the same before. But the advantage of this horizontal reference, if I copy this one here, look what happened. Even I put before the issue without horizontal, if I copied here, instead of price, they taking from here. But now, if we are using this horizontal reference, this one dollar sign, the left of this one D, here is a sign, dollar sign. We'll press F2. Look what happened. Even I copied here and here, still the price is taking. Look, so this is the absolute reference which horizontal here. Now if we copy this one here down, again the issue is here. Although our reference of price is correct, but the issue, look, this one is correct. It's correct. This correct, 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 and correct. But what will happen if I copy this one? Control C and hit enter. Look, if I press F2, again there is a wrong. The price is correct, but here our discount is wrong. So now we will add another reference. So we'll use vertical reference. We'll put this one, price times, we'll put here. So this is our vertical reference. So we'll press F4, another F4. So this is the one. Before, we putting here at the left side of the column letter. Now we'll put in between the column and the row number. Here, this is our reference for vertical, and we will hit enter. Look, if I will press F2, it's correct. If I will enter here, copied and enter, it's correct. If I copied here, it's correct. Now we have an vertical absolute reference. But if we will copy here, look what happened. It's showing 0. Why? Because although our discount is correct, but the price is wrong. If I copy here also, if I will put here, discount is correct. If I will copy this formula, discount also is correct. But still, again, another problem if we will use only the vertical absolute reference. Again, we have a problem. So now we will apply these two reference, horizontal and vertical. So we'll put equal, then we select here. Now we'll put dollar sign. We'll put our cursor here, times, we'll select our discount, and we will put dollar sign in between of our column letter E and our row 4. So I will put dollar here. Now we have this horizontal reference, which is the price, and we have also here vertical reference, which is the discount. Then I will hit enter. So now I will copy to all here. Copy, look what happened. If we press F2, correct, correct, and I will press F2 here, look, it's correct, and also here is correct. So this is the horizontal and vertical absolute reference. Now we'll go to the final or absolute reference itself. So I will put this one, say less 10%. So this is our amount for 10%. So I will make sum. Now we have a total. If I copy this one, this total, and put here, look what happened. It will become 0 because the reference is here. So now I will press also F2. If I will highlight these two range, and if I press F4, look what happened. If I hit enter, then if I will copy this one here, even I will copy anywhere, even I will copy it here, anywhere of this worksheet, still our reference is absolute.